Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add image in rectangle. Let's begin. Create a new layer and select the rectangle shape around it or rectangle. Use stroke color black. Press enter. Then hold shift for click and drag on your mouse for this rectangle size, or do not hold shift for custom size. Okay. Then go to file, open and open any image. Double click, right click, create a clipping mask. Change the border, use color red, increase the size for this border. Okay. Then hold Ctrl, select this image, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, raster as layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.